slide in and out of there nice and easy. Not torch it for half an hour and friggin' good coke though.
Oh, I bet.
Here, can you grab that socket for me?
Oh, right away?
Yeah, please.
Just like that?
Yeah, I need that. Put it back in the toolbox.
Man, it looks like a bullet casing almost.
Right?
Wait, it's smoking.
Yeah. Holy, my eyeballs though.
Like staring into the sun or something?
Well, now we get to beat this end of it. That's
Oh.
That's the only thing.
Oh, man.
See if this will even come out now.
I'll just make sure I get my thumb in the shot here for a second.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Product saved. What, is it right in front of me?
It was right there, yeah. But that's why I thought you were looking for like a smaller one, because you walk right by it.
No, I just don't look at stuff right now.
They're supposed to be shorter, I'm assuming that.
Well, I don't know. It's factory defect, probably. So we got the new bearing in here. It's in the sack. But I am pretty certain that it didn't look like that. Yeah, see. It's a lot wetter. It's a lot more moist in there than this one. What a nonsense rigmarole setup. Oh well. Squish all that onto the end of this and see if we can't stab it back in there and get on another day. Good Lord. Wow, that's nice. It's sitting together right now. Gravity is holding it together. But then you got to wrestle it all up and over and amongst this shit. We could take that out. We could take this out. We get these two bolts out. So then you got to take this out. And then you're going to take the whole truck apart to get the drive shaft in. But then it screws up into that. So that's where we're going with this right now. Hopefully. Oh, Lord. Please, Lord Father. I hope this thing stay together to Fort Witt. I don't just completely snap my shit. Oh, careful, your
Tire there.
Your friggin' noggin. Yep. The nagoon, if you will. I don't know, dudes. That's nonsense. That is nonsense, right? You know what that is? It's the powder coating off of the head of the bolts on the transfer case. Look at this. Like the steel bolt is like drawing the friggin' aluminoids right out of the case. Fort Witt. Like growing alien specimens. Like look at these things.
New life.
These ones aren't as bad, but isn't that crazy? Just sucking the aluminoids right out of the operation. Oh, but yeah, this thing's had the Trisket, but we got the friggin' drive shaft in. I don't know, they were saying something about the fuel system nonsense too or something, but I don't know. We'll have to have a quick saunter into that probably. What? The blue pipe. Forgot it. Get the man lift back out. Holy fuck. Just hopeless.
That'll give you an excuse to go and get her and bring her back in.
Mm-hmm. Play traptor some more. Make it go up and down. Oh, you Dukes of Hazzard?
Oh, I wanted to get it.
Oh, you wanted to get a picture?
I wanted to get a picture of the final product.
Oh.
I got some of the before product.
You got some guys wanting some hires to do some siding?
No.
Oh.
I just want to show your mother so that she knows that I've been working and stuff.
Well, you got to earn the oil change, right? You can't just come to Inwood and oil changes willy-nilly. 3 weeks on a fucking room and stuff.
floors and walls and siding and plywood and doors and stairs. Holy
Oh, good.
mm-hmm. Oh, my new one? Okay.
I'm gonna try and get in here.
Careful. Don't mar the finish.
Good thing I'm a big feller.
Alright.
Good to go.
Okay, thank you. Smoke cigarettes. Good lord. To clean his headlights so they're mad. Oh, I was just talking about painting your headlights. Like mine, so they're mad. Careful. Careful. Lucky likes those folding in mirrors. Yeah, friggin' crawdad. What do we do? Bring mine in, change the oil on it too, I guess, probably. That time. I should go check on the phone too. Holy. He does good work, boys. Do Jankum. It's weird when you can like give a fella a task and then like go back later and expecting like, you know, something else. You know, I grabbed the palm sander when you told me to pickle and stuff, sort of thing, right? But not the fella, no. Oh, he's gonna light it up or what? What's he gonna do? Oh, he's with his pewter, resetting the oil change schedule. I thought he was waiting for me to get the camera out so he could light it up. You get her all reset? How many kilometers left to your oil change?
How many till when?
Till your oil change, does it tell you or it just tells you when you need it?
Well, I think it just starts beeping when it's supposed to. I don't know.
Do you need a new sticker for your window? Write the kilometers on it and stuff?
Well, I'm just gonna write it down on a paper and put it in the glove box so I forget.
Okay.
Next one's gonna be, well, it's at 128 or say 129 even. It's what, 128 860. So the next one should be 135 even.
Right on.
Well, as long as I don't have too many more trips to Inwood, it might be a long time before I get to 135. Back and forth to Inwood.
Still lots to do.
When did I get it? November? Yeah, November. I had 121.7 on it, and I got 128.
Well, the first week I had the Grumman, I put like 5,500 kilometers on it. First week I had it on the road. Oh, shit.
Oh, 3 weeks back and forth to Inwood.
Oh, I know.
Take long
Try
to add
living
them up.
here. You ever lived in Inwood?
No.
Oh, man.
I don't know.
They need to have a gas station here.
You got a what?
They need a gas station here.
Oh, there you go. Open
Start
one up.
Inwood Petrol.
Right here. You got the room.
Yeah.
Right back here. Little sign out the front.
I could sell used gas, but you know, get all the scrap cars. Sell for 50 cents cheaper than the fucking pumps. Yeah. Four or 5 cents
Same
cheaper.
as the res. Same price as the res.
Yeah. Yeah, it would be like res gas.
Yeah.
Same.
Same but
Yeah.
different.
Yeah. Is it light?
You know what?
Light?
Light?
Yeah.
Light for what?
Does it light? Oh, hide your weed eaters. Look at this. Just scoping weed eaters relentless. Not even a single. Look at this, boys. Holy. Not even a regard. Hopefully everybody's down there's got all the weed eaters put in their shed, because
They're on the weed.
weed eaters, that guy fucking scoping weed eaters out. G-Tel?
That's what they
Back
do?
of their guys' trucks, just full of people's weed eaters. Oh yeah, you must have spotted one. Brakes. Yep, 4-ways on. He's gonna run out and grab the weed eater from the fucking park. Just kick in the shed, grab the weed eater quick. No big deal. No big deal. Oh, little Hortons. Okay. See ya. No worries. Change the oil in mine now. See what happens. Oh, we should go see the felon too. Oh, yeah, choo it. Oh, dick. Looking for Dodge Cummins gold and black dually. Oh, I saw it. Right on, boys. Sold the transmission out of Rusty. So now I can pay the vet bill. Scores! Yeah, that was a pretty rough go with the dog there. Man, it's never easy, but holy shit. Oh, there she is, boys, back home. Hey? Son of a bitch. Well, boys, sold old Forky. Sold him. I paid $1,000 for him like 12 years ago, 13 years ago. $1,500 for him. Got to deliver him tomorrow. Deliver him tomorrow, boys. So that was a good investment. Not too bad. But also Real-Link, boys. Real-Link decided to hook it up there again. There, sent a camera the other day. Now they've sent like a DVR type thing, so that'll be friggin' awesome. I'll have to get that set up a big time. Nice. Nice. Oh, it's got a little mow. Mow. Uh-oh. I think it's only like a single antler mow, because this one, only one side clicks. Huh. Neat. Neato. Right on. We should go and set this up quick. What happened? Well, we got the bastard, I don't know what's it there, just trying to get it on my appy. But yeah, this will be friggin' awesome. I'll have to do some dicking around with that to, you know, link all the stuff up there. It's kind of late, but check that out, boys. A little area to have a little Napapini, no big deal. She's coming together, boys. She's coming together. Gonna be working on some of my own merch. Can't count on anybody, so not anybody, but most people, right? So rather than dick around, I'll just set it up for myself, and then it'll be awesome. And then you guys can buy shit off OnePuck.com again. Hey, remember that? Remember them days? Hey, remember them days? But yeah, a few things going on, so that's good. Sold the forklift, sold the freaking transmission, got a new couch in the lair, got some Real-Links. Freaking rates, boys, but yeah, later is frig, and I'm probably gonna need to sleep at some point, so we'll call her a day, boys, but I know it's gotta go.